Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages on your OPPO Find N2 Flip. So, at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So, we have to open it now. Then add a permission to the camera and to the files. Decide that you want to get a notification. I don't need to. And okay, now if you want to add a document, click on this little plus and choose source of it. I will pick something from my gallery. Oh, I don't have any photos. Sorry, so I will take a photo now. How you can see, now we can adjust the shape of your document. And if you're ready, click the arrow. Now choose the filter for it to make it more visible. You can also add a signature, text, and the graffiti by these icons. Okay, if you're ready, click accept. And now type the number here. Remember to choose the country. Optional, you can give a small note here. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want only send only this one, click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.